Have you ever noticed that your knee starts to hurt when you walk? Maybe it's fine for the first few minutes, but then it begins to feel tight, achy, and weak. There are ways we can improve this, but first we need to do a quick test. When you're walking, I want you to think, where on your knee does it hurt? How much pain do you have? And what type of pain is it? Once you figure these out, we can improve your knee discomfort. The first exercise is going to improve your knee motion, reduce the stiffness. So you want to sit up and you want to bend your knee up and down. These are called heel slides. And we're doing this in order to improve your motion and reduce any stiffness that may occur while walking. Do about 10 of these. And then on the last one, you bring your heel close to your butt and you pull and give that extra stretch. Hold this for about 20 seconds. Next, we want to improve the strength of the muscles surrounding the knee so it can protect the knee while you're walking. So, going to lie down, bend the opposite knee, keep the leg straight, lock it out, toes towards you, and then raise your leg up and back down. Bring your leg parallel to the opposite knee. That's strengthening the quads and hip flexors. Perform this 3 sets of 10. Make sure to go slow and controlled. And do this 2 to 3 times a day as well to make sure that the quads and hip flexors are strong and secure while you're walking. Now that we've stretched the knee and strengthened the knee, we need to also strengthen the side part of the knee, or the lateral aspect. Now the hip connects to the knee, and those muscles are very important in stabilizing the knee. So get onto your side, bend the opposite leg, straighten out the leg you're working on, bring your leg up, toes up and back, okay? It's a 3-part motion. You're abducting, externally rotating, and extending the hip. That's going to strengthen this muscle, which connects to the knee, and it reduces any lateral forces or any side-to-side movements that occur. This is something many people forget, and this is one of the most important exercises to do. Perform this 3 sets of 10. Feel the burn and notice the difference. Now that you've performed these exercises, ask yourself, does your knee feel 100% better? Does it feel 10% better? Either way, we're moving in the right direction. Perform these every day for a week and notice gradual improvement. Now, if you have pain from getting up from a chair, I invite you to watch my next video where I show you the exact steps to improving that activity and getting back to a better function. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to download my free knee reset video in the description below.